It's Crazy Collins, and I'm doing another Nerf tutorial. So yeah, but this one's a little different. As you can see, different Nerf gun, same stock and everything. So yeah, this is the mag it came with, if it could come out. Just 6 dart, as you can see there. I have 3 of these, 4 of them I think. And this one came with another Nerf gun I think. And this one I bought at the store, 18 meg, and this is a 12. So this does fit. These two fit in there. I'll show you the 18 dart one. If you play with this a lot, the spring will get loose and it'll vibrate. So this is what it looks like with the 18 dart mag in it. I like to do that a lot with this mag. And 12 one. I'll let you guys listen to it. And that's what happens when the spring's loose. Will come out of there. And yeah, so basic. And hang on. This is an attachment too. I just took it off for no reason, but slides on. See those? Just slides right on. Just like, holy. Sorry about this, guys, but it's hard to get on. Trust me. A smart guy would put on the right way. So this is what it looks like with that on. And yes, this can come off, so you can pretend it's a rocket launcher. And of course, this can come off, this dock, so you can have a little machine pistol. So yeah. If you buy this gun, you have to pull this back to release the mag. And yes, this is spring powered too. So, and wait. Trying to find where it is. Boom. So if it gets jammed, you open the back here, right there. You can see through it. So you can get your fingers in there to see if it's jammed or anything like that. So and that sound gets annoying, so don't really do that as much. And yes, if you're in, or you can take this off too somehow. Hang on. Hang on a sec, guys. There. So, you have to bang it on a hard surface to get it off, because it goes on tight. Yeah. And to get this locked on, you put it on, then you twist it until you hear this. I'll make same thing. Back one don't make anything. But I set it on halfway like that, then I push and it makes a sound. So yeah, that's the end of my video. So yeah. On weekend on Saturday or Sunday I might take you to the skate park. I don't know, but yeah. I'll be making more videos with my cousin on the weekend, I think, or so. And there might be a new guy, so wait, watching for that. So, yeah, that's the end of my video here. Subscribe, like, and leave comments. I'm going for 1,000 views today, so hopefully that works out. And 100 likes, so yeah. See ya! Crazy Kid Collins is, well, sort of windy today, but I might do a scooter video today. Tomorrow maybe, after school, so yeah. Peace. Peace out. Why do my eyes go like that? Looking straight. That's weird.